Today, I will show you how to paint on a cake. I've got a piece of white fondant here, and we will be using edible pen to draw out our flower first. Then it's time to paint our cake using edible gel food color. We have got white, yellow, and different shades of pink. I'm using water to dilute the gel food color. You can also use vodka to dilute it. It will evaporate faster than water, but the problem is the color will turn lighter when it's dry. So that's why I prefer using water more. Now we are using the light pink as a base color to fill in all the petals. Then dip some water to blend in the color. See how I leave some white in the middle of the petals, so it will look more three-dimensional. Now we will add some shading. Then adding some purplish gel food color and blend it out. Let's add some shading to the next flower as well. You always want to blend in the color without seeing any harsh line. Then adding some highlight to the petals. Then I'm using a smaller brush to outline the flower. Let's move on to the petals. Using a toothpick to take out a little bit of lemon yellow gel food color and lightly dip in the pistil. After the cake painting is set, we will be using white edible marker to highlight where the sunshine should hit the flower. Then draw some lines to show the texture of the petal. I like to use my finger to blend it in so it looks more realistic. The more highlights you add, the more three-dimensional it will be. Nearly there, just add a few more brush strokes. And to the pistil as well, the whites really make it pop. Oh, nearly left out the stamen. Let's use a brown edible marker to make it less perfect to make it look like real flower. Then use a clean brush and add some water to wipe out the excess. Okay, adding some water to blend in the color. Did you realize the key is to adding color layer by layer and just add little bits of color every time? Then I like to use this silver grey edible pen to draw some shading and add some contrast as well. This really makes the pistol stand out. Just adding some more final touch. When your fondant is dry, using a circle cutter to cut the size of your cake and using paneling method to cover your cake. If you are not sure what is paneling method, then click the screen right now. This video will show you step by step on the easiest way to covering cake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have got any questions about cake painting, let me know in the comments down below. I will answer them all. Bye!